Hello everyone! We're making quick and easy cinnamon roll bread pudding today, so let's get started! Mix together 200 grams of whole eggs, 72 grams of heavy cream, 6 grams of vanilla extract, and 756 grams of whole milk. Add in 150 grams of granulated sugar. Switch to an emulsion blender and blend until smooth. Cut your cinnamon rolls into 1-inch chunks and place into your baking pan. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Slowly pour the liquid into the pan. Gently press down on the cinnamon rolls to ensure they are soaked in the liquid. Let it stand for 5 to 10 minutes. Bake at 350 degrees for about 70 to 80 minutes or until it is jiggly and bouncy. There should be no liquid when you gently press down on it. Allow it to cool for about 15 minutes before serving. The bread pudding will deflate a little as it cools. Serve it warm with vanilla sauce or even ice cream. For vanilla sauce recipe, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching!